Ok, les 4
Tu étudies en quelle année?
English.
Ah, you speak only English?
Yes.
Wow.
What is your name? What is your name?
Are you fine?
Yes, I'm fine.
Why you are
Very fine.
Yes.
You see mother there?
Yes.
You see also father there?
Yeah.
Wow. Amashimwe.
amashyi menshi cyane. Leila, wereka twigire muri kavukire sivyo? Ntabwo Icongereza gusa.
Icongereza.
Birakomeye cyane.
Edison, uravuga ndavuga.
Ndavuga.
Edison, uravuga ndavuga.
Cyane turavuga.
Ndagufatira igitego.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, tutangure. Bantu b'Imana. Muri kano kanya.
Okay.
Tugiye kwakira. Umumenyeshamakuru Edison. Agiye gutwariza umutumire wacu yamaze gushika muri kano kanya. Kino kiganiro niko kibera muri hoteli ya mbere.
Hotel Club Tanganyika.
Ubusa gutora kano gashimwe. Azomara indwi yose aryama afungura muri Club Lac.
Let's go. Okay, Leila, how are you?
Fine.
Are you? I'm very fine. What is your name? You see your mother and father? You see your mother and father?
Yes, I see them.
Okay, tunakomeza birakwiye. Ibisigaye turazakomeza after. Uzeke dukate keke.
Imbere yuko tugenda. Leila.
Manager.
Hey.
Okay.
Leila. Can you say something for your mother? Okay.
Okay. My mom. She's a incredible mom.
Okay.
And she's very beautiful. And she works hard every time for her music and her
She's
career.
clever.
A lot.
Okay.
And I like her hardworking.
Okay.
And she won the best for Burundi as a singer, as a female artist. That God keep blessing us as He always do.
Okay.
And I'm so proud to have my mom by my side.
Okay.
And I'm proud that she's my mom. And also my dad.
Okay.
We appreciate him for what he has done to us. And we love him so much. Because of him, we are here right now.
Okay.
Still alive.
Okay.
And yes.
Leila.
Banze mubangire gato. Mukanya umenterpreta giraze.
Leila, can you tell me your favorite song for your mother?
All of them.
Wow, fantastic. Thank you very much.
Azikunda zose nta nimakuramo. Yumva ko bimeze neza.
Dusabe. Edison.
Yes, I.
Kuri 10 ndaguha ngahe unkangahe?
Sasa. Abipe murazi ikintu yakoze. Yakoze ikintu cyo bita gapapu. Niriko ndavuga yaciyancira mu ijambo kugira ngo mve Icongereza cyamufashe neza fresh. Tugira dukate keke ama bigende neza.